good day viewers, welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation I want us to answer this question right here. So this is a question that came in biology paper 2 for 2024 for internal candidates. So the question reads, figure 2 shows part of the human digestive system. So this is the figure 2 right here, showing the part of the human digestive system where we have the parts labeled L, K, J, I, and H. So we are going to start with our question A right here. Identify the parts labeled H and I in figure 2. So what are the names of the part labeled H and I? So the part labeled H right here, this part, this is the pancreas, and the part labeled I, which is this part down here, this is the rectum. So we have said H is the pancreas, and this I, this is the rectum. So we can write our answer here. Part I is the rectum. So we have answered our question A. Let us now move on to our question B right here. So our question B reads, explain the functions of the parts labeled J and K in figure 2. So let us look at these parts, J and K. So the part labeled K right here, as you can see, this is the gallbladder, and the part labeled J, this part, this is the large intestine. So what are the functions of the large intestine? So the functions of the large intestine is just to absorb water and mineral salts, or you can say they absorb water from undigested food, and they also absorb the bile salts. Okay, so these are the functions of the large intestine. Then what are the functions of this part, which is the gallbladder? So the function of the gallbladder is just to store bile. Okay, so we can write our answer here. So explain the function of the part labeled J and K in figure 2. So J, the large intestine, we have said this one just absorbs. The large intestine absorbs water and the mineral salts. Okay. Water and the mineral salts. So this word here is mineral salts. Yeah. Then what is the function of the part labeled K? And we said K is the what? Is the gallbladder. So the gallbladder, what do? They just store they store bile. That's the function there. Let us now move on. We come to our question C right here. So our question C reads, state 3 metabolic functions of the part labeled L in figure 2. So they want us to write 3 metabolic functions of the part labeled L in figure 2. So let's look at this part, which is labeled L. So the part labeled L is this part. This is the liver. So what are some of the metabolic functions of the liver? So the liver has a lot of metabolic functions. So from those metabolic functions, you can pick any. Number 1, a liver play a role in the storage of some vitamins. Okay, for example, it stores vitamin A and some mineral ions such as ions. Apart from that, the liver also produces what? There is production of heat. Apart from that, the liver also helps in the production of plasma proteins. Apart from that, the liver also helps in the manufacture of the red blood cells in babies, and it also helps in the conversion of excess glucose to glycogen and storage of glycogen. Okay. Apart from that, the liver also plays a role in detoxification of harmful substances or poisons and alcohol. Apart from that, it plays a role in the deamination of excess amino acids. So you have heard that there are main functions that I've said concerning the liver. So number 1, we can say it plays a role in the we can say manufacture of red blood cells. Okay, manufacture of red blood cells in babies. Okay, that is one metabolic function. Apart from that, you can also say it plays a role in the deamination of excess amino acids. You can say it plays a role in deamination of elimination of excess amino acids. Okay, so apart from that, we can also say that it plays a role in the production of plasma protein, or you can even say it produces bile, because it's the one that produces bile. So I can say production of plasma proteins. So there are many metabolic functions of the liver. Okay, so we have just written these. Okay, so I have answered our question C. Let us now move on to our last question, which is our question D right here. Outline 2 effects of the ailments of the part labeled J in figure 2. So the part labeled J, this is the part that you are talking about. This is the part which is the large intestines. So we are talking about the effects, 2 effects of the ailments of the part labeled J, meaning that we're looking at the effects of the ailments of the large intestines. So number one, one of the effects of the ailments of the large intestines is that there is dehydration, okay, due to the loss of what? Water. So you can say dehydration due to loss of water. You can say water, or we can even say fluids. Okay, yeah, because remember I said one of the functions of the large intestine is just to absorb water and mineral salts. So this will be one of the ailments, dehydration due to loss of water and or fluids. Apart from that, we can also say inflammation of the alimentary canal. Inflammation of the alimentary canal. So these are the answers to these simple questions. I hope it's clear, you have understood. So if you want to join our online tuitions in biology and mathematics, you are free to WhatsApp me on 0963 6766 15. 0963 6766 15. So get in touch. I'll be able to respond to you so that you revise with us intensively for your coming exams. Thank you so much, everybody. Once again, this has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.